How to create a pie chart in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheets on your device. Here, simply select the data you want to create a pie chart of. Then press on Insert at the top. Click on Chart. After you click on Chart, it will convert it into the chart. If it's not pie chart, you can simply select chart type as pie chart on the right side as well. Then to add percentage, what you can do is go to customize at the top right. After you click on customize at the top right, click on pie chart. After you click on pie chart, select slice label as percentage. After you've done that, you can change other pages as well, and you can delete the outer percentage by clicking on it and pressing on delete. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.